almost shoved in that hole last night.
I'm gonna stick the boom in a little bit.
Yeah.
Then I'll let it back down. Works barely in the water. I don't know, he's kind of thought everything went out. I'll winch up a little bit, and then when I start sucking it back in, you let me know when it touches.